The Future Combat Air System, FCAS, also known in French as Système de Combat Aérien du Futur, SCAF, is one of the most ambitious and strategically important next-generation military aviation programs in the world, jointly developed by France, Germany, and Spain with the aim of replacing current frontline fighter aircraft, such as the Dassault Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon from the year 2040 onward. FCAS is not just a single fighter jet, but a complete system of systems designed to dominate future air combat. Environments where threats will be highly advanced, digitally connected, stealthy, and autonomous. At the core of FCAS is the Next Generation Fighter NGF, a sixth-generation stealth combat aircraft developed mainly by Dassault Aviation with Airbus Defence and Space as a key partner. This fighter is expected to feature extreme low observability, advanced supercruise capability, artificial intelligence-assisted pilot decision-making, adaptive engine sensor fusion, and next-level electronic warfare systems. The NGF will operate alongside remote carriers, which are advanced unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, and loyal wingmen capable of reconnaissance, electronic attack, decoy missions, and even strike operations. These remote carriers will be launched from air, land, or sea and will act as force multipliers, significantly expanding combat reach and survivability. Another core element of FCAS is the Air Combat Cloud, AAC, a secure real-time data network that will connect fighters, drones, satellites, naval platforms, ground forces, and command centers, enabling seamless information sharing and coordinated operations. This digital backbone will allow pilots and commanders to see the battlefield in unprecedented clarity, making faster, smarter, and more lethal decisions. FCAS is being designed to operate in heavily contested environments against peer adversaries, equipped with advanced air defense systems, cyber warfare tools, and space-based surveillance, which means survivability, resilience, and network dominance are key priorities. Stealth shaping combined with next generation radar absorbing materials, infrared signature reduction, and cyber-hardened avionics will make FCAS extremely difficult to detect, track, or disrupt. The program, officially launched in 2017 as a Franco-German initiative with Spain joining in 2019, represents a major step toward European strategic autonomy, reducing reliance on non-European defense systems and strengthening the European defense industrial base. The estimated cost of FCAS is expected to exceed 100 billion euros over its full life cycle, making it one of the most expensive defense programs in European history. Yet its technological and strategic value is considered essential for maintaining air superiority. In the mid-21st century, FCAS development is structured in phases, with demonstrator flights expected in the early 2030s and full operational capability planned around 2040. The aircraft will likely feature optionally manned